The story of Hazrat Hasan and Husain, also known as Imam Hasan and Imam Hussein, holds significant importance in Islamic history and is revered by Muslims worldwide. They were the grandsons of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the sons of Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib and Hazrat Fatima bint Muhammad. May Allah be pleased with them all. Birth and early life. Imam Hasan was born in 625 AD, while Imam Hussein was born in 626 AD in the city of Medina, which is in present-day Saudi Arabia. Both brothers were beloved to the Prophet Muhammad, who often expressed affection and love for them. Imam Hasan's leadership. After the death of Prophet Muhammad in 632 AD, the Muslim community faced a crisis regarding leadership. Imam Hasan was the eldest surviving son of the Prophet's household, and he was chosen as the second caliph, leader, of the Muslim community by the people. However, his leadership was short-lived as he faced challenges and opposition from various factions. He eventually decided to step down from the position to maintain peace and unity among Muslims. Imam Hussein's stand. After the passing of Imam Hasan, his younger brother Imam Hussein became the leader of the family and the spiritual guide for the community. He was known for his wisdom, piety, and courage. During the caliphate of Yazid, the Umayyad ruler, Imam Hussein faced immense pressure to pledge allegiance to Yazid's rule. However, he refused to do so as he believed that Yazid's leadership was unjust and not in line with the principles of Islam. The tragedy of Karbala. Imam Hussein, along with his family members and a small group of followers, embarked on a journey to Kufa, in present-day Iraq, to address the grievances of the people who had invited him to lead against Yazid's oppressive rule. However, Yazid's army intercepted them near the plains of Karbala in 680 AD. Despite being vastly outnumbered and facing severe thirst and hunger due to a blockade of water access, Imam Hussein and his followers refused to submit to Yazid's forces. On the 10th of Muharram, known as Ashura, a tragic and brutal battle took place in Karbala, resulting in the martyrdom of Imam Hussein, his family members, and loyal companions. Legacy and significance. The sacrifice of Imam Hasan and Imam Hussein, particularly the events of Karbala, holds immense spiritual and moral significance for Muslims. Their unwavering commitment to justice, truth, and standing against oppression has become a symbol of resistance against tyranny and a source of inspiration for generations of Muslims. The commemoration of Ashura, especially among Shia Muslims, is marked by mourning, remembrance of the tragic events at Karbala, and gatherings to honor the memory of Imam Hussein and his companions. It serves as a reminder of the values of social justice, compassion, and the willingness to stand up against injustice, regardless of the consequences.